Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're exploring a fascinating area of contract law, specific performance. When most people think about what happens after a breach of contract, they immediately imagine compensation, money paid to make up for what went wrong. But sometimes, money simply isn't enough. What if what you've lost can't easily be replaced with cash? That's where specific performance comes in, a powerful remedy that can force the other party to actually do what they promised to do. So, what exactly is specific performance? In simple terms, it's a court order requiring a party to fulfill their contractual obligations, rather than just paying damages for not doing so. It's an equitable remedy, meaning it's based on fairness, and it's granted at the court's discretion when monetary compensation wouldn't be adequate. Let's say, for example, you agreed to buy a particular property, perhaps a historic home, or a unique commercial site, and the seller suddenly refuses to complete the sale. You could sue for damages, but that won't get you the property itself. No two properties are truly identical, and money alone might not put you back in the same position. In cases like that, the court may order specific performance, compelling the seller to go through with the sale. Imagine this scenario. You've spent months negotiating the purchase of a rare piece of land for your business. Contracts are exchanged, completion is set, but then the seller changes their mind and decides to sell to someone else for a higher price. You're left in limbo, your plans on hold. In such a situation, specific performance can be a powerful legal tool, one that forces the seller to honor the agreement they made with you. However, specific performance isn't available in every case. The courts view it as an exceptional remedy, used only when ordinary damages wouldn't provide justice. It's particularly common in contracts involving land or property because of their unique nature. But for most contracts involving goods or services, damages are usually considered sufficient. There are also situations where specific performance won't be granted. For example, the court won't order someone to perform personal services, such as forcing an artist to paint a picture, or a consultant to carry out work they no longer wish to do. That's because the law recognizes that personal performance can't be compelled, and that forcing unwilling parties to work together usually leads to poor results and ongoing conflict. The court will also look carefully at whether both sides have behaved fairly. Specific performance is what's known as an equitable remedy, meaning the party asking for it must come to the court with clean hands. If you've acted unreasonably, delayed taking action, or breached part of the agreement yourself, the court may refuse the order, even if you've suffered a loss. At Blackstone Solicitors, we regularly advise clients involved in breach of contract disputes, including cases where specific performance may be an option. We assess whether damages would be enough, or whether an order compelling performance is likely to be granted. For instance, in property transactions where the seller refuses to complete after contracts are exchanged, specific performance is often an effective remedy. Our role is to guide clients through the process, gathering evidence, applying to court, and presenting a strong case to ensure that justice is achieved. So, to summarize, specific performance is a court order requiring a party to carry out what they agreed to do under a contract. It's not about financial compensation, but about enforcing the actual performance of the contract itself. It's a powerful remedy, but one the courts use sparingly, mainly where the subject matter is unique and damages would not be enough. At Blackstone Solicitors, we understand how frustrating it can be when someone fails to honor their contractual commitments. Whether you're buying property, entering into a business deal, or enforcing a commercial agreement, our experienced team can help you explore all available remedies, including specific performance, to protect your rights and achieve the outcome you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors. And if you're dealing with a breach of contract issue, contact us today, we'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.